Namaste Gurukulians, myself MS Chauhan. Today I'll start the topic polynomials. What is the polynomial? This is chapter number 2 in your book. First of all, the definition of a polynomial. A polynomial is an algebraic expression of the form a naught x raised to power n plus a1 x raised to power n minus 1 plus a2 x raised to power n minus 2 up to an x raised to power 0. In this the powers of the variable x are in descending order, where a naught, a1, a2 and up to an are real numbers. Or you can say constants in which a naught is non-zero and n is a non-negative integer. This is a polynomial of degree n in variable x. An algebraic expression in this form, this is a general polynomial where the terms are written in the descending order of the powers and the coefficients in each term are real numbers, or we can say the constants. N is non-negative, this is the foundation in this definition, and should be non-negative integer. This is a polynomial of degree n and this is a polynomial in variable x. What is the degree of this polynomial? Or you can say any polynomial, degree of a polynomial. The degree of the polynomial is the highest power of the variable involved in the polynomial. The degree of a polynomial is the highest power of the variable involved in the polynomial. some examples. If a is non-zero, then the degree of this polynomial is 2, because the highest power of the variable involved in this polynomial is 2, the maximum power is 2. So, the degree is 2 here for this polynomial particular. Another polynomial, this is another polynomial, and what is the highest power of the variable in this? The 18 is the highest power of the variable involved in this. So, the degree of this is 18 for this particular polynomial. Another polynomial, this is a polynomial in variable t. In this polynomial, the highest power of the variable is 19. So, the degree of this polynomial is keep in your mind, the power of the variable in each term should be non-negative integer. Now, I will explain the terms and the coefficients in a polynomial. Terms and coefficients. I will give one example. Suppose this is a polynomial in x. The degree of this polynomial is 7, and the number of terms, these are 3 terms in this polynomial. These are the terms. In this, the terms are separated by the operations plus or minus. Any one operation must be between the 2 terms, plus or minus. So, these are 3 terms in this polynomial. And the coefficients. What is the coefficient in x raised to power 7? Actually, the coefficient of this literal coefficient is the multiple of this, and the multiple of this is 3. And the coefficient of x, the coefficient of x, the multiple of x is actually minus 8. Along with the sign, we will write the coefficient, and the constant term involved in this polynomial is 11. A term independent of variable, independent means in which the variable is not there, that is the constant term, and constant term is 11 for this polynomial. So, these are the terms and the coefficients of the terms or literal coefficients. Now, what is the difference between the literal coefficients and numerical coefficients? Another example, this is a polynomial and this is also a polynomial. In this, these are fixed real numbers, so these are the numerical coefficients. In this also, these are the constants and these are the real numbers, and x square, x, these are literal coefficients. So a variable is a literal having different values, or specifically numerical values that is the variable. In this, the value of x may be any number, any real number. So this is the variable in this particular polynomial. In this also x is a variable. X can take any real value. Now the types of polynomial. The first type, zero polynomial. What is a zero polynomial? A polynomial having all the coefficients zero is a zero polynomial. Keep in your mind, in this the degree is not zero, but the coefficients are zero. Example for this, polynomial in x in this the coefficients of all the terms are zero. So this is a zero polynomial. One important point for this, the degree of a zero polynomial is not defined. The second type, zero degree polynomial. What is the zero degree polynomial? A constant is a 0-degree polynomial. And example for this, suppose a constant is given 2, we can write this to 2x raised to power 0. So the degree of this is 0. This is the example of a 0-degree polynomial. There is a difference between 0 polynomial and 0-degree polynomial. In 0 polynomial, the coefficients are important, but in 0-degree polynomial, the degree is important. Degree must be 0. Another types of polynomials. Types of polynomials based on degree. There are some types of polynomials based on the degree. The first one in this is linear polynomial. What is a linear polynomial? A linear polynomial is that polynomial whose degree is 1. So, a polynomial of degree 1 is a linear polynomial. And example for this, ax plus b, where a should not be 0. The degree of this polynomial is 1, so this is the linear polynomial. Similarly, some more types based on the degrees. A quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is a quadratic polynomial. And example for this, a general polynomial of degree 2 is ax square plus bx plus c if the coefficient of x square is non-zero, then we can say this is the polynomial of degree 2. So this is quadratic polynomial. Third one, cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3. Is a cubic polynomial. And general polynomial of degree 3 is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d A should not be 0 for the degree 3, because the power of the this term is 3 and this is the highest power. So, this is the highest power term and the degree of this polynomial is 3. D, quartic or biquadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 4 is a biquadratic or quartic polynomial. Example for this, the general polynomial of degree 4 and A should not be 0 for this also. This is a quartic polynomial because degree of this is 4. So, these are the main types of polynomial based on degrees. Now, some more polynomials based on the terms, number of terms in the polynomial. We have mainly 3 types of polynomials based on number of terms. Types of polynomials based on number of terms. How many terms in the polynomial, this is important, but degree is not important. And the first type in this, monomial. What is a monomial? A polynomial having only one term. Is a monomial. Example for this, as I told you, the number of terms are important, but the degree of the polynomial is not important in this. So, the monomial is 37x raised to power 99 maybe, or 28x raised to power 3, or x, or this is 2 constant polynomial, this is also monomial, because the number of terms are in all the polynomials 1. So, these are the monomials. Now, binomial. A polynomial having 2 terms is a binomial. Example for this, ax plus b or 3x minus 7 In this, the degree is not important, but the number of terms are important. 2x raised to power 98 minus 1, this is also binomial. C, trinomial. A polynomial having 3 terms. Is a trinomial, or you can say trinomial. And example, you know the terms are important, number of terms are important. 3x square plus 5x minus 7, this is a trinomial. Or in this also we have 3 terms, so this is the this is the trinomial. Students, that's all for today. We will come back again. Thank you and have a nice day.